Welcome again to my tutorial video today on how you can buy some altcoin on OKX Wallet and hold it for long time projects. You buy all this coin at lower price and resell it back when they rise. This video is just for educational purpose, not for financial advice. So I'll walk you through step by step on how you can create your OKX wallet and how you can get in to know how to add token, how to buy the coin in this video. Just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel to be getting more content like this on crypto trading, crypto projects, crypto, how to analyze your market, how to analyze BTC, and so on and so forth on this particular YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. Let's go. So right now, you need to just make sure to create an account first on the OKX website. But if you're a Nigerian, you may not get access to these websites on your web browser. What you need to do, just come to Play Store. So just come to Play Store and download this particular toner beer. Then you open it, then you set it to South Africa. All right, this just make sure to set it to what? South Africa. All right, so that you can get access to OKX Wallet. All right, make sure it's a free VPN. That's the first step you need to just do. Right now you can see the account is connected to either South Africa, or you can just use a then you can even change it as well. When you search for Nigerian, they may say not available, but you can just use this one to just create an account first. All right, to just make sure to sign up here and click on this sign up button. All right, you sign up button, you select the region, and you can say by aggregating, create an account. Make sure to register. Make sure you put your email address and everything. You are good to go, and make sure you verify the account later. So that's all for the registration process. So I will now show you guys on how you can easily use the wallet after you set up your account finish. It's that simple and easy. So let me just walk you through right now on the app right now. After you successfully register and verify your account, the first thing you need to do is to just make sure to come to their wallet. This one is exchange. Let me show you. This one is what is an exchange. Why this one is wallet? This is where you are going to be using to buy your token and hold it for a long time, project. All right, you click on that wallet area to create a wallet. Just, you can see Web3 wallet. You can see this is my own personal wallet. All what you need to do, just make sure to follow the process to create that wallet and keep your phrase in a safer place. Write it down so that you won't forget anything. It's very, very important. Make sure you keep your free, just like Trust Wallet and and other wallets we are using. Just follow the step and create your wallet. It's that simple. So once you log into your wallet like this, the first step you need to do is to just make sure to to come to to fund your wallet with BNB, because all the token I want to show is they are on BNB Smart Chain. It's not on Solana wallet, Solana network. Then this is the this is the BNB. You make sure you fund your account first with BNB. You come to wallet address and copy the wallet address here, and this is the wallet address given to you. Copy this particular wallet address and try to fund it with either $20, $50. It depends on how much you want to buy the token. It's that simple and easy, and I will show you right now real quick on how you can buy all this token. So after that, once you have already successfully fund your account, then let me show you right now how you can copy the contact address given to you. All right, let me show you how to copy the contract address, then you add the token to your wallet right now on this video. So right now, this is how you can easily copy the contract address you see I sent to your wallet, you see it on my Telegram group. Let's say I want to buy this coin. All right, you copy this particular contract address like this. Then you go back to your OKX wallet for you to search it right now. So when you come to your OKX wallet, make sure you come to token here. All right, you come to token around this area. Then the thing can be like this. Then this is the Solana something. This is a watch list. All right, you can come to top. Then this is what you need to do. All these one are on Solana wallet or Solana network, but the one I want to buy is on BNB. You come to this area, then you scroll, then you have to just paste that particular contract address at this particular area. All right, you have to paste it there on that particular area. Then you paste. You can see the coin has already been searched. So this is the coin we want to, we want to buy at the moment. Then you come to this area, you star it, you click on that star. So when you click on the star, it will automatically be part of your watch list. So let me just go and show you right now on your watch list. Then you come back. When you click on this watch list, you can see the coin has already been added to your watch list. So how can you buy the coin right now? I've already shown you. You need to just make sure to deposit what? To put BNB on your account first before you can, buy any coin on your. It's very, very simple. All right, let me just go back to token. All right, so if you want to buy the coin, you can just make sure you have ready money on your account right now. So right now I have already fund the account with $5. You can see I fund this account with just $5 right now, BNB. So once you have your BNB on your account, all what you need to do is to just make sure to come to your token area. So this is the coin you want to buy at the moment. You can even check some research and check the info of the coin, whatever. You can see right now everything is about, and the orders is around 154k, and this is liquidity 2.2 million. This is the market cap 69.8 millions market cap. So just check it very well. So once you do that, you have to just tap on the coin like this. Just tap on the coin, tap it, the coin you want to buy, because I've already fund my account with $5, right now. Then you can click on this trade. All right, so just hold on. So this is trade. Just make sure to click on trade. So right now you can make sure you can even leave it like this. You check this thing, this particular blue button. You can see this is a very easy way. Make sure you select this one, advanced new. Okay, you pick that one. Then if I want to buy, then I want to buy, like, let's say the one of $3. I'll just put $3 on that area. I'll just put $3 out of my $5 because of charges. You can see I'll just click on buy. So I've already put $3 in this area. You can see this area, $3 is there. I'll just click on this buy right now. Simple. I'll now click on confirm. All right, let me just put my something. All right, submitted. I have already buy this particular token right now called wood. All right, I've already buy. Let me just go and show you. I'll come to token. So I will come to it, and this is it. I've already buy this particular coin. How can you see it on your account? You come to home. All right, come to home. You can see I have already buy about 44 pieces of the coin, which is around $3 right now. So this is very simple way on how you can just buy and hold. I buy 44 pieces of the coin at the rate of just $3. So this is how you can just buy and keep it on your account for future references. Then you sell it when all these coins are pumping in later on. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to subscribe, like, and share this video to your community. It's very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.